question is addressed to the chair. Why will the members answer that?
We don't have the authority to speak.
Buwan naman yung pinagsasabi mo.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also member, just the same. Dante, alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang chairman ang sasagot.
No, it is not only the
Ano naman
chairman.
magsasalita ng ganyan?
Well, back him, siya nagsalita na nga eh. Kaya na ako record. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Di ba? Pwede ba yung Dante? Saan parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak? Pwede. Di ba?